We've got a possible homicide on 13th and Locust. Choppers are circling the area for suspects. Bystanders claim blood was dripping from the victim's neck from what appears to be a severe bite. I have nothing further.
Guys, keep coming through.
Is he dead?
She, yes. Oh! Yeah. This literally just happened with it. Oh!
Fuck you up!
What happened here?
We're not sure if she was bludgeoned. She's not dead yet. See, she's still moving a little bit. So we're trying to just finish the job here. If you wouldn't mind giving us a hand.
We're gonna put one in her head.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Oh!
Detectives asking me some questions if I saw what happened over
You can go. Ma'am, step forward, please. Ma'am.
Oh my God.
Oh, the poor thing. The poor thing. She never knew what hit her. I don't know.
No, that's the wrong.
Yeah. Are you guys from the area?
Oh, shit.
Are you from the area, sir?
Is this a movie?
No. I wish it was a movie. You from the area?
I got the evidence back here. Yeah, I'll put
No.
it in.
Okay. You're not from the area?
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Yo! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Woo! What just happened, man?
Can I ask you a couple questions, sir?
This isn't real.
Actually, it is real. You might want to step up.
No, because it's being filmed.
That's right. This is the news.
Okay.
This is real. This isn't a joke. That's why Action News is here, and the Philadelphia Police is right there. Can you step forward, please?
I don't want to be here.
We have to ask everybody. Yeah. Whoa. Ladies, hold on a second. Give me 2 seconds. You guys walk through this way, please.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Step forward. It's all right. She's already dead. It's not going to hurt you.